Hi everyone! I think we all know these situations when we wake up in the morning and we still feel tired, we feel tightness in our body, not the best start into the day, or even after a long period of working where we feel like there is no energy left in our bodies, the brain doesn't want to work anymore. So what if I tell you that you can change all that immediately just with a few minutes of shaking, breathing and tapping? Curious? Okay, so then let's do it together. So find a place where you can put your feet parallel to each other, and then we start right away with shaking. So bounce into your heels, really relax your wrists, your shoulders, and just bounce as relaxed as you can, and imagine that everything that's not longer of service for you anymore, all negative thoughts, all tightness, all pain, everything is now falling into the earth. And then from here we add our breathing. So take a deep inhale, deep in your belly, and on the exhale let it all out. Really make a sound when you exhale, deep into your belly. And out, let it all go. Really imagine that you're breathing out everything that's not longer of service for you. Once again. Really free yourself through your breath. You can imagine that there is dark, toxic smoke coming out of you when you exhale. So do it again, deep in your belly. And let it all go. One more time. Keep on shaking. And just feel how good that feels to free your body to breathe deeply. And then from here we start to tap. And we start with our kidneys. So take your hands and just wake up your kidneys here. Get the energy and flow again. Tapping up and down the lower back. Very good. And from here we go over the sacrum. And then we're tapping down the outsides of our legs till we reach the feet, the top of the feet, inside of the legs, up to your hips, tapping on your hips. Breathing deeply into your belly, exhale through the mouth because we're leaving out some toxicity here. You can always make sounds when you exhale. And then again we go to our kidneys, waking them up, and then going down the back side of our legs, waking up the calves, on top of the feet in the inside of the legs, up again till we reach the hips. And then from here we go to our belly, just taking the fingertips to activate the lower belly. Moving to the right side, hello liver. It's a great way to get some new energy into our organs. We move to the left side, the spleen side. Keep on breathing deeply in your belly. And then from here we go to our heart. We stay a little bit longer here to wake up our center. Set a smile on your face. Smiling is just an invitation for all the good energies, all the positivity to come back to your body. So really enjoy standing here, activating your heart, smiling to every cell of your body. Breathing freely deep into your belly. Just enjoying that moment. Very good. From here we stretch out one arm and then we go to the lung point. It's under this bone here, the collarbone. And then we cup our hand and we go down the arm on the outside, up again until you reach your neck, and again with the cup hand down the inside of the arm. Don't forget the palm and the outside, up again. Very good. Move over to the other side. Tapping under the collarbone. And then forming a cup with our hand, going down the inside of the arm until we reach the palm, and tapping on the outside back until we reach the neck. Once again, activating skin, the pores on our arm. And then from here, we go to the neck and we just tap here on our neck. Very good. Keep on breathing. And then from here, we take the arm to the outside, inhaling up, taking all the good energy that is around us. And exhale, let it melt down your body like water or warm honey. One more time, inhale, take all the energy around you. And exhale, let it sink down. One more time, take a deep inhale. And exhale all the way down, and we shake again, really bounce into your heels. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your wrists, set a smile on your face, and again imagine that everything that is no longer of service for you just sinks into the earth, and you are there with your positive energy. Keep on breathing, inhaling into your belly, exhale, let it all go. Allow yourself to make some sounds. Breathing is such a brilliant way of detoxifying our body. So take this moment for you now. Inhale. Let it all go one more time. Very good. And then take a moment where you close your feet together. Place your hands on your lower belly and just smile to your body. Keep on breathing, totally calm into your belly, and just feel for a moment how you feel now, if you can feel movement in your body. Just being there, breathing, smiling, enjoying a moment of silence. Beautiful, done. So, take this beautiful new positive energy with you into your day and have a lovely day. Namaste, much love from me.